So a common question that we get, sometimes families will come to us asking for a second opinion, right, if they're represented by somebody else in a different case. What I tell people is one of the most important things is outside lawyers who don't have all the information in your case in the middle of the case are not going to know every single fact. They're not going to know all the ins and outs. Your lawyer should at least be communicating with you, I would say, in a major felony case about once a month. They should always be proactive. They should give you access to the materials so you can see it. And then what we do here is we sit down and we do a strategy session with our team, that includes the client and their family if the family wants to be there, about our legal analysis of each piece of evidence or discovery that comes in on a case, okay? If you're not doing that, you don't know necessarily if the lawyer's doing the work. And frankly, when you're not trained in this field, you're not going to know that they're doing the appropriate work. But that's why trust and research into that lawyer before you start with them is one of the most important things. You cannot get a good outcome, usually in your case, unless you can trust your attorney to know that they're doing the right thing, to know that they're doing the work. So I would say some of the most important things are obviously communication with the lawyer, walking you through the basics of how a trial works, how the particular evidence in their case is going to work at trial, if there are any pretrial issues, and trying to at least maintain regular communication about once a month at the very least, I would say. You're not going to talk to a lawyer every week. You're not going to talk to a lawyer every day. We don't have time to do the work on the cases if we're just talking to him. So don't expect that that's going to happen, but you got to develop trust. That's how you know that the lawyer is actually doing the work.